Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Android version and free storage so installs succeed. Once done, gather your VPN credentials, username, password, and server address because you will need them immediately. Now open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then VPN. Alternatively, install the provider app from Play Store and grant required permissions. This gets you to the first actionable screen. Make sure location and battery restrictions won't block the app. You're ready to add or connect a profile. Proceed to the setup step next. You now build the profile. Tap Add VPN Profile in Settings or open the provider app and choose Add or Connect. Enter a clear name, the server address, and pick the protocol, ICAV2 for speed and stability, OpenVPN for flexibility. This matters for security and compatibility. Fill in your username and password and import certificates if required. Once configured, grant the VPN permission request so Android can route traffic. Also, set auto-connect or split tunnel options, depending on whether you want all apps or only some routed through the VPN. To finish, tap Connect and verify the VPN is active. Check your new IP using an IP check site or the app status screen so you confirm traffic is routed. If it fails, first toggle airplane mode or reboot your phone and try again. These simple steps clear network caches. If problems persist, recheck credentials, switch servers, confirm the chosen protocol, and review app permissions and VPN logs for errors. When needed, contact provider support with log snippets. That speeds resolution and gets you back online securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.